Best Embroidery Kits for Beginners review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular embroidery sets in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this embroidery kit for beginners so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set right away. The one that made our list is the Kiss Beauty Embroidery Starter Kit. This is a really comprehensive set that comes with a bamboo embroidery hoop, embroidery cloths, colored threads, needles, and an instruction manual. You get 3 different patterns you can get started with so they can practice knotting and color mixing. These colored patterns are easy to follow, and once you're done, it's easily washable too. The embroidery hoops have a brass adjustment screw that you can tighten when necessary to keep the fabric tight. To check out the full specs of the Kiss Beauty Embroidery Starter Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/embrokit. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this starter set. So there you have it, the Kiss Beauty Embroidery Starter Kit. Considering its ease of use, how comprehensive this set is, and its overall quality, we feel that this starter kit is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Kiss Beauty Embroidery Starter Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/embrokit. Alright, thank you for watching.